Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So this is the ninth question of the algebra chapter. So the question says A, B, C and D are four numbers such that A into B into C into D is not equal to 0. What this means over here is none of them is 0. Now if 3 raised to A plus 3 raised to B plus 3 raised to C equal to 3 raised to D, then what is the value of A, B, C, D in terms of A? Okay, this is actually a very interesting question. Now before going ahead, I'll ask you a very simple question. Rather than power of 3, we'll just consider power of 2. So if I have 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to y is equal to 2 raised to z. And what I know is that x, y and z all are non-zero. Okay, so let's not take the case of non-zero. We'll take two cases. This is possible. So a power of 2 is getting added to a power of 2 to give me another power of 2. So this is first, it is possible if x is 0, y is 0, what do we get? 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 0 plus 2 raised to 0 equal to 2 raised to z, which is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 raised to z. So 2 is equal to 2 raised to z or z is equal to 1. Okay. So one of the solution of this case is that x is 0, x is 0, y is 0 and z is 1. What is the other possible case? If you take x and y as two different numbers, let's say, if I take x as 1 and let's say y as 2, I will never add up and can get a power of 2 with them, because then it will be 2 raised to 1 plus 2 square. This will never be a power of 2. Okay. If you take x and y as a different number, you will never add them up to get a power of 2 as the answer. 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to y can never become equal to 2 raised to z. Okay. This is only possible then in the case wherein x is equal to y, because when x equals y, what this will become is 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to x again, because y is what? X. That will be equal to 2 times 2 raised to x. So this is 2 times 2 raised to x, which is 2 raised to power x plus 1. So from here we will get 2 raised to x plus 1 is equal to z. So one of the possible solution was x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and z equal to 1, like here. The other possible solution is that x is equal to y and z is equal to x plus 1. Okay, these are the only two possibilities. So when two numbers are added such that 2 raised to x and 2 raised to y are the two numbers and you get a resultant number 2 raised to z, there are only two possibilities, that either x, y are both 0 and then z becomes 1, or the other possibility is x and y are equal and then z becomes x plus 1. So with the same logic we will apply here. So now over here we have been given 3 raised to a plus 3 raised to b plus 3 raised to c is equal to 3 raised to d. So this is only possible either when a, b, c all three are 0 and then d will become 1. But over here we know a times b times c plus times d is not equal to 0. So that possibility is ruled out. The only other possibility that can happen is when a is equal to b is equal to c. So in that case this over here will become 3 raised to a plus 3 raised to a plus 3 raised to a, because b is also equal to a and c is also equal to a, and that will become 3 into 3 raised to a, which is equal to 3 raised to power a plus 1. So now what this becomes, 3 raised to a plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to d. So from here what do I get is a is equal to b is equal to c and d is equal to a plus 1, because 3 raised to a plus 1 is 3 raised to d. So what do we have to find? We have to find a into b into c into d in terms of a. So a into b into c into d, a times b times c times d. What will that be? B and c are both are a and d is what? A plus 1. So this becomes a into b is what? A, c is a and d is a plus 1. So this becomes a cube times a plus 1 or a raised to power 4 plus a raised to 3. So a raised to 4 plus a raised to 3 over here is the right answer. Alright, that's how we solve this question. Quite an interesting one.